abdominal crunch with a double leg reach. You're going to begin with your hands behind your head, one leg to tabletop, and then bring the other one to meet it, hugging the knees and feet together. You're going to inhale here, exhale to curl head, neck, and shoulders up, reaching your head back long into your hands, keeping those elbows out on that 45-degree angle so you can see your elbows in your periphery. Your gaze should be straight down at your pelvis so you can watch your abdominals here and stay connected, as well as angle that head down so that you can maintain this nice abdominal connection throughout. You're going to inhale here to begin, exhale to reach the legs long on that 45-degree angle, reaching through the heels. Inhale to bring the knees back in towards center. As you reach the legs long, reach through the heels to help you connect deeper into those low abdominals. Imagine like you have a cable across your two front hip bones and you're drawing those two hip bones together as you reach the legs away. Other things to note here. If you feel that it's difficult to keep and maintain your abdominal connection as the legs go out, i.e. you feel your low back lifting off of the mat, or you see any doming or coning happening through your abdominals, then I want to encourage you to change the angle of your legs. So the higher up towards the ceiling you are, the more supported the position is, and then the lower you go on that angle, the harder it will be. So choose the angle that allows you to maintain that deep abdominal connection the best, and then over time you can lower them down to challenge the position even more for you as you gain more strength.